It's crucial because without it, your personal information like the bank details, the private messages can be stolen. And if it was stolen, it's a theft in your house. So specifically for businesses, a lack of cybersecurity can stop them from working, lose money, or they can harm their specific reputation. It's crucial to data protection, business continuity, privacy, and of course, national security. There are a lot actually. So sometimes they will say, I'm not a target. I'm poor. Okay. They cannot get anything from me. For specific hacking, everybody is a potential target. Cyber criminal often exploit vulnerabilities, especially to the people who doesn't even know anything about ethical hacking or what you call cybersecurity. Then they said we already have antivirus, but I'm telling you, antivirus is not enough. Antivirus software is just one layer protection. You must have comprehensive cybersecurity, which requires multi-faceted approach. And you must also have something like anti-malware. Then you must have complex passwords. But sometimes they said that complex passwords are already sufficient. But we call multi-factor authentication is the better protection, especially for your specific computer. My data is safe in the cloud, they will say, but cloud is not that safe. Cloud services also require cybersecurity. Though what is good with cloud services, these specific services that you pay, okay, not the free one, okay, will actually put a measure on your specific security and will put security on your specific cloud. We call it cloud security. In short, don't think you're too small to be a target. Cyber criminals go after anyone. Just having antivirus isn't enough. And complex passwords need extra help to be truly safe. And remember, data in the cloud also needs protection. You have to create a strong, unique passwords. So utilize a combination of letters, numbers, special characters, and there's what you call a password manager for your convenience that can actually make password for you. These are good. You will be paying them. Do not get anything that is free. Anything that is free have consequences. Enable multi-factor authentication on anything, on any devices that you have. Just like me, I have 3 multi-factor authentication on my cell phone. So I have multi-factor, sorry, it's not 3. Multi-factor authentication for my cell phone. Number 1 is my thumb mark, okay? So your thumb can actually be a bio authenticator. Your face, okay? And then the gestures and the number specifically. Then you can software, you have to update your specific software regularly. Your operating systems, your applications, your security software must always be updated, okay? And patch them for vulnerabilities. Actually, the updating itself is already what you call a patching. So be cautious online. Do not click anything. Avoid clicking suspicious link. Do not answer an email that is not from you. So even though it's an advertisement, they will always send you this specific email until such time you click them. So whenever you have email that are suspicious and you don't know, and then do not ever click on them. Then educate yourselves and others. Stay informed for the latest cybersecurity. And then back up your data for ransomware. So I always back up my data 3 times. Okay, I have the cloud. I don't back up on any hard disk because hard disk is actually a vulnerable thing already. So I'm backing up 3 clouds. Okay, Clouds are now very, very cheap. Okay? You can buy actually a G drive for 100 GB for only 25 pesos per month. So why not spend rather than be ransom? So awareness is very important. You must have some, in an organization, we must have something like awareness campaign. iAcademy is serious in adapting AI on its processes and will be integrating AI, blockchain, and even information security in the program. We will not only use emerging technologies, but we will also protect our students in using these technologies. Learning is continuously evolving. We have to manage it to continue lifelong learning, and we need to manage it to protect students and their parents' hard-earned money. Lifelong learning is not an option. It is a necessity. It ensures that we remain relevant in rapidly evolving landscape. At iAcademy, we instill in our students the value of constantly expanding their knowledge, skills, and adaptability. Educational institutions must stay updated on technological advancements. This means fostering a culture of innovation, partnership with industry leaders, and investing in faculty development. By doing so, we prepare our students for challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Cybersecurity is an ongoing process that requires vigilance and adaptability. As cyber threats continually evolve, we have to follow best practices. We have to stay informed, and individuals and organizations can significantly reduce their exposure to cyber risk if they do a lot of awareness campaign. Awareness campaign is the thing that you have to do whenever you are starting cybersecurity in your specific organization. Thank you very much.